Good morning to all. On behalf of NIMI, it's great pleasure I welcoming all of you for this video session. Myself, S. Pachayappan, working as a junior training officer at Government Industrial Training Institute, Chengalpattu, Tamil Nadu. In this video, we will discuss about the topic for surface gauges. The main objective of the surface gauges are state the various uses of surface gauges, name the various types of surface gauges, state the advantages of universal surface gauge, state the care and maintenance of the surface gauges. Surface gauge is the one of the most common marking tool and it is used for scribing lines parallel to the datum surface, setting jobs on machines parallel to the datum surfaces, checking height and parallelism of the object, setting jobs concentric to the machine spindle. Next we will see what are the different types of surface gauges are available. There are two different types of available. The first one is the fixed type surface gauge and the second one is the universal surface gauge. Now let us see the fixed type surface gauges. The fixed type surface gauge consists of heavy flat base and spindle fixed upright in which the scriber is carrying along with snug and clamping nut. The fixed type surface gauge is the non-precision instrument. Next we will see the universal surface gauge. The figure shows the diagram for universal surface gauge. The universal surface gauge having some additional features along with fixed type surface gauges, such as the first one is the spindle can be positioned at any places. Fine adjustment can be done very easily and quickly. Set up to the jobs to the parallel of the jobs. Next we see what are the main parts for universal surface gauge. The universal surface gauge consists of the first one is the base or magnetic base. The second one is the spindle and the third one is the scriber and the fourth one is the universal clamp. This universal clamp consists of snug and clamping nut. Next one is the guide pin and fine adjustment screw. Universal surface gauge will have a magnetic base that can be effectively be turned on and off its magnetic power. Therefore, that they can be placed to the location while using and easily can be removed by switching off its magnetic power. The universal surface gauge also used along with V blocks. There is a vertical bar which is carrying a scriber attached by universal clamp to the vertical bar. This vertical bar is called as the spindle. The universal clamp having the scriber adjust to rotate in all directions, and also the universal clamp will having a adjustment screw that can be adjustment for at any directions. Next one is the base. The base of the universal surface gauge will have some slots to the bottom face. Because of it can be attached to the cylindrical surfaces also. The rocker arm of the base is attached with the fine adjustment screw. This is used for taking fine adjustment reading. Next we go for care and maintenance of the surface gauges. The following care is taken before using surface gauges. Clean well before and after the use. Apply thin layer of oil at the bottom base of the surface gauge. The scriber can be sharpened if it is necessary. Do not give more pressure for applying for making lines. So far, that is the time for conclusion. I think and I hope all of you understood the concept of surface gauges, such as various uses of surface gauges, types of surface gauges, care and maintenance of surface gauges. In next video, we will see the topic for physical and mechanical properties of the surface gauges. Thanking you.